is the MAC Prep and Rhyme. Hi guys, Rhaze here. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing a current favorites video. So, i-share ko sa inyo yung mga paborito ko for the past. Hindi ko alam when was the last time I did my favorites video. I have been slacking lately kasi alam nyo naman sobrang daming ganap. Hindi siya ganun kadami considering na ilang buwan din ako hindi. Ilang buwan ba? Hindi ko alam. Siguro hindi ko alam. Siguro isang buwan lang. So, I have some makeup in here. Do I have skincare? No, wala akong masyadong skincare because I am planning to do a skincare routine video. Yeah, I will be talking more about my skincare sa video na yun na. And then, yeah, so more on makeup lang, actually. So, I will go ahead and start. I'm gonna start with setting spray. So, if you guys have been watching my videos, alam nyo na hindi ako ganun kamahilig sa setting spray. But few weeks before our wedding, I decided na maghanap ng mga setting spray kasi I was doing my own makeup. And gusto ko gumamit ng setting spray na alam ko na maganda talaga. So, I was testing out setting spray. I already have this Urban Decay All-Nighter Makeup Setting Spray. I got this from Nice. Actually, Nice. Meron siyang channel, All Stuff Nice. She's from the US. And she gave this to me. I'm so thankful. This ended up being the one na I used sa wedding ko. It's just really good at keeping your makeup stay in place. Like, sobrang ganda niya talaga, guys. Medyo may pagka-sticky siya ng konti kapag spray mo siya sa mukha mo, pero yung stickiness nawawala siya and it just keeps your makeup stay all day. Like, hindi ko na kailangan mag-retouch, which I don't do anyway. Hindi talaga ako nagre-retouch. Pero with this one, sure na sure talaga ako na nandyan lang yung makeup ko. It's not going anywhere. So, sobrang ganda nito. Another setting spray na I like is the MAC Fix Plus. Ito, I got kasi ang dami ding may gusto na to. In my opinion, mas maganda to. Mas nakaka-stay talaga siya. Mas nalalak niya talaga yung makeup sa mukha. Pero this one is good for everyday. This is what I use on a daily now. So, if hindi naman ako like sobrang lalabas talaga, if I'm just like, you know, from home to work and balik, like, ito yung ginagamit ko. Nagagawa niya naman yung trabaho niya. Nasiset niya naman yung makeup ko. With these, like, after a long day, maganda pa rin tingnan yung mukha ko. Kasi noon, akala ko normal lang na kapag end of the day na, hulas na talaga yung mukha mo kasi end of the day na eh. But when I started using makeup setting sprays, meron talagang kaibahan. Sa end of the day, maganda pa rin yung mukha ko. Like, hindi na siya, obviously, kasing okay nung first na in-apply mo siya sa umaga, pero hindi siya, like, hulas, like, before na hindi pa ako gumagamit ng setting spray. So, this one, I recommend for, like, everyday use. Tapos, for special occasion, this I recommend kasi it really works. Okay, next up are foundations. I have two right here. Samples lang siya, guys, pero I will buy the Estee Lauder na double wear kasi sobrang gustong-gusto ko talaga siya. Ito yung foundation na para sa akin, like, feeling ko para sa akin talaga kasi hindi siya thick and gusto ko very lightweight lang siya tingnan. Tapos, meron siyang coverage pero hindi like over, like, merong foundation, tingnan yung mukha mo, hindi siya cakey at all, very lightweight, very natural looking. I have two in here. I have the Estee Lauder Double Wear Light. And then, I also have the Estee Lauder Double Wear. Yung Double Wear Light, if I remember it right, nasa tube na packaging siya. Hindi siya gagaya nung Double Wear na nasa glass. Double Wear Light is really good as well. I am in the shade number 3. And silang dalawa, wala talaga akong nakikitang kaibahan. Like, they're both really nice sa mukha ko. The Double Wear, I am in the shade Shell Beige. Sobrang ganda nilang dalawa. Kaya lang bibilhin ko yung Double Wear kasi mas maganda yung packaging niya. Yung sa Double Wear Light, yung packaging niya parang, again, nasa tube lang. And mas social tingnan yung Double Wear. So, I'm getting this. Sobrang ganda nila. I wore the Double Wear na Shell Beige sa wedding ko. And it lasted the whole day. Again, with the help of the setting spray. Hindi ko dinadamihan. Sobrang konti lang yung nilalagay ko sa mukha ko. Like, I have samples, you guys, and I still have it, and I use it. Not all the time because I don't wear foundation all the time. I use it maybe 2 to 3 times a week, and I still have it because hindi mo talaga kailangan ng marami. So, alam niyo naman ako, sobrang tipid ko sa mga ganito. Like, I don't really buy, you know, makeup kasi feeling ko ang dami ko ng makeup tapos hindi ko nagagamit. Pero with Estee Lauder, sabi sabi ko, I'm willing to splurge like $54 ata siya kasi I can see myself using it. Yun, double wear. Very maganda. Next favorite is this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. I actually have it under my eyes right now. This is actually my second na ganito. Sobrang tagal na naubos ng first na ganito ko, pero binili ko siya ulit nung nagpunta kami ng Melbourne. If you watch the vlog, alam nyo na naiwan ko lahat ng makeup ko dito. So, I had to buy a few makeup there para, like, you know, para mag-survive yung aking araw dun. Kasi as in, wala talaga ako nadala ni lipstick. Wala lahat. This one is in the shade medium. Ito, sobrang lightweight lang din niya. Sobrang hindi siya nag-cake up. If you're really into, like, super light lang, pero nagpo-provide ng coverage, it provides really good coverage under my eyes. Not that, like, super dark ng under eyes ko. Okay na actually yung under eyes ko before it was dark, pero now I will show you guys my skincare routine para makita nyo kung ano yung ginagamit ko under my eyes, but it's not as bad as before. Sobrang dali lang din niya i-blend. The applicator is epic as well. Meron siyang ganyang ganap yung pa-foam na ganyan. And I love this. It's really good. Okay, next one is this. Ito din, nabili ko din sa Melbourne. Ito yung W7 Banana Dreams na powder. I use this every day now. I still use my Intuit powder under my eyes. I feel like sobrang daming beses ko na feature sa favorites ko yun, kaya hindi ko na siya feature ngayon. Ito yung ginagamit ko all over my face. It's good kasi it's yellow. And hindi din siya ganun kamahal. It's from brand W7. Meron namang W7 sa Philippines, diba? I'm not quite sure. Pero I think meron na. If not sa malls, I'm pretty sure meron siya online. Pero ito yung sobrang ganda niya. And because I'm morena, I have like obviously yellow undertone. This works amazing on me. Kasi diba, most of the loose powder, puti talaga siya. Aside from Benay, ito lang yung nakita ko na yellow na powder. And it works really good. Tapos, hindi pa siya mauubos agad-agad kasi ang dami niya. Tapos, konti lang naman yung kailangan mo sa mukha mo. So, yeah, it's really nice. I like it. Next up is lipstick. Ito yung lipstick na ginamit ko sa wedding ko. I'm so thankful kay Catherine na binigay niya to sa akin. Ito guys, social siya. Marc Jacobs, and I honestly do not see myself buying a lipstick na ganito kamahal or galing sa ganitong brand. So, sobrang thank you, Catherine, for giving this to me. Kasi sobrang ganda niya. It is, for me, the perfect, like, nudish pink. Tapos, it is so cute. Like, look at this packaging. Sobrang cute niya. Perfect lang talaga siya. I was looking for a nudish pink. Ayoko ng pink na lipstick because parang hindi bagay sa akin yung pink na lipstick. So, ito yung sinuot ko. And look how pretty. Diba? Ang ganda lang. Very subtle na parang mauvey, nudish pink. Hindi ko siya ma-explain. Basta ang ganda niya. And yeah, I ended up wearing it sa wedding ko because sa lahat ng na-try ko, yun yung pinaka nag-stand out talaga sa akin na yeah, that is a wedding lipstick. So, yun. And then she gave me this as well. Ito, yung pinaka the best na liquid lipstick na nagamit ko. When you say buttery, like it feels really buttery on the lips, this is it. Like, sobrang soft. As in, sobrang buttery talaga. Yun yung pinaka-best na description sa lipstick na to. I have it on my lips right now. This is in the shade Firenze, if I'm pronouncing it right. Ito yung Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. Ito yung shade niya. And sobrang ganda niya. Ito yung lagi kong sinusuot. As in, halos araw-araw ito yung suot ko. Tapos, hindi din siya mahirap i-retouch. Some liquid lipstick, pahirapan ng retouch. Kasi kapag ni-retouch mo, parang nagka-crack siya. Ayaw nila na mag-retouch ka yung ibang liquid lipstick. Pero ito, as in, sobrang dali lang i-retouch. Hindi siya as in super long lasting. After ko kumain, nag-fade na yung pinaka-inner corner ng lips ko. Pero again, no problem. Kasi kapag ni-retouch ko siya, kapag naglagay ako ng new layer over the old layer, may ganon. Kapag naman, for some reason, hindi ko ito mahanap sa bag ko, ito yung sinusuot ko. Ito yung Colourpop lippiestix in the shade Cami. And you guys, nawawala na yung kanyang mga sulat-sulat dyan kasi nasa bag ko lang siya lagi. Kasi nga, ito yung isa sa mga go-to everyday lipsticks ko. And sira na siya kasi nga, lagi ko siyang ginagamit. Feeling ko paubos na to, pero sobrang ganda din ito. Kung lipstick lang yung pag-uusapan, lippiestix galing sa Colourpop, gustong-gusto ko sila. This is the shade, and nakita nyo yung gustong-gusto ko ng mga shade, mga ganyan. And yeah, yan yung shade, very pigmented. Gustong-gusto ko na hindi malaki yung lipstick, like maliit lang siya kasi nasi-shape mo talaga ng maayos yung lips mo, na-apply mo siya ng maayos. Okay, sa eyeshadow, alam nyo na sobrang minsan lang ako nag-feature ng eyeshadow because I don't use eyeshadow on a daily. Gumamit lang ako ng eyeshadow ng wedding ko because of course, I had to put eyeshadows. And ang ginamit ko is ito. And again, binigay to sa akin ni Catherine. Thank you again. Alam ko ang dami nang naaanoy sa akin for saying thank you. But I am so grateful. Kasi kung hindi dahil sa kanya, hindi ako magkakaroon nito. Hindi ako bibili ng ganito. Kasi hindi ko naman siya ginagamit araw-araw. So, again, thank you. Ito yung Modern Renaissance Palette na sobrang gustong-gusto ni Catherine Lights. That's one of the reasons why na parang tinitingnan ko yung Modern Renaissance. I was like, oh, ang ganda. Kaya nga lang, ayoko siya bilhin. Bagong-bago pa yung akin kasi isang beses ko lang siya nagamit. Kasi sobrang ganda niya talaga, guys. Sobrang ganda ng mga shades. Kung gusto niyo ng mga warm shade, perfect na perfect ito. Very, very pigmented. Kailangan nga lang maging careful sa mga fallouts kasi marami siyang fallouts. And then, eyelashes. Minsan lang din ako mag-feature ng eyelashes pero this is really good. I have it on my eyes right now. Can you tell? So, I have it on my eyes right now. Ito yung Eylure. Ganyan. Nabili ko siya sa Priceline. Ito yung number 117. Texture siya. Marami kasing klase yung Eylure eh. Merong texture, merong hindi ko alam kung ano yung iba. Pero, yeah. This is really good. Meron na siyang kasamang glue. So, sabi dito, it is the pre-glue technology. Meron siyang naka-attach sa kanya na glue. Yung glue na yun, hindi siya nag-work. Actually, nandito pa rin siya eh. Papakita ko sa inyo, ha? Madikit siya. Kaya lang hindi siya dumidikit sa mata ko. For some reason, yung mata ko talaga nakakaloka. Pahirapan ng pag-apply ng ano. Or hindi lang talaga ako marunong. Pero meron siya naka-attach na ganito, guys. Na madikit naman siya. Kaya lang, not sa mata ko. So, I had to remove that and then use my own glue. And diba, lagi ako nagko-complain na hindi ako marunong. And this whole time, it is because of the glue lang pala, guys. Kasi yung glue na gamit ko, tsaka. Kaya, hindi dumidikit yung eyelashes. Today, I used this glue. Favorite ko din. This is from Nichido. Yes, Philippines. Woohoo! This is only 60 pesos. Nabili ko siya sa Pilipinas. I'm so happy na nakita ko siya dito. Hindi ko in-expect na dinala ko pala siya. I used it this morning and applying eyelashes was way easier. Glue lang pala yung katapat. Sobrang mura lang nito, guys. Ganito yung itsura niya. Sobrang saya ko kanina. Kasi ngayon ko lang actually ito ginamit. But I had to include it sa favorites kasi sobrang ganda niya sa mata. And hindi siya ganun ka like OA tingnan. Parang naturally, I have long lashes tingnan. Ganun. I wish. Parang feeling ko kailangan kong magsuot ng eyelashes araw-araw hanggang sa matanggal yung mga false eyelashes na nakadikit sa mata ko. Kasi I had individual false eyelashes on. And it's on that stage na like slowly natatanggal na sila. And konti na lang yung natira. And ang tsaka-tsaka tingnan ng eyelashes ko. So, I decided to put false eyelashes on today. Yung ito, kasi kahit anong suklay yung gawin ko sa false eyelashes ko, wala, hindi ko talaga siya ma-save. Ano talaga siya, meron na talaga siya mga bald spots. So, at saka na tingnan. Next up is ito. Ito yung mga cotton puff from Daiso. Ito guys, sobrang mura niya. $2.80. I know hindi siya ganun kamura. Kasi sa Pilipinas, di ba, 88 lang yung Daiso sa atin. Dito, $2.80. So, 100 plus siya. Pero mura pa rin siya compared sa iba. Kasi kapag bumili ako ng cotton pad galing sa Target or like something, hindi siya ganun kaganda. Tapos like, I think $2 na 100 cotton pads, I think. Hindi ko sure. Basta, tsaka yung quality. Tapos, hindi pa siya ganun kamura. Ito, $2.80. Tapos, meron na akong 180. 180 cotton. Yes, 180. Kasi, 1 box, 90 each. And sobrang ganda nito. This is actually already a repurchase. Nagpunta ako ng Daiso kahapon kasi naubos ko na yung isang box ko and I'm using the other box right now and I think I'm almost halfway. Sobrang ganda nito kasi hindi nag-fray. Tama yung word ko, yung cotton pad. Kasi ganito siya. Meron siyang parang nakalock siya dyan, nakadikit siya dyan. So, hindi nag-fray and sobrang ganda niya. You know me, I use cotton pads all the time. I use it to remove my makeup. I use it to apply my toner. I use it to apply my deodorant. When I say that, people are like, why do you use cotton pads to apply your deodorant? Kasi ginagamit ko yung RMK na deo spray and sobrang ganda nun. Kailangan gumamit ng cotton pads para doon. That's why I use cotton pads for my deodorant. Yeah, sobrang sulit lang niya. So, I'm so thankful na meron kaming Daiso dito kasi sobrang sulit na to. And that is basically it for my favorites video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please let me know kung ano yung favorite setting spray nyo. Kasi I'm really into setting sprays right now. And gusto ko mag-try ng iba pang setting spray. spray. I know na yung Milani setting spray is really good daw. Kaya lang wala kaming Milani dito sa Australia. So, yeah. Pero I really want to try that. And yeah, that is it for my favorites video. Please do like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, goodbye!